Hey guys, it's Jehiel here and welcome to my channel where I do tech reviews, news, updates and more. In this video, I'll be talking about wireless charging again. Yes, wireless charging. I did an unboxing. I then did a kind of comparison between wireless and wired charging. And today, I'll be talking about how wireless charging works. How it works. So, on this episode of Tech Tips, how does wireless charging work? Very short video. Without wasting much time, wait. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do it and hit the notification bell icon. So when I release new videos, you'll be notified. And tell your friends about my channel to subscribe. Right now we have 162 subscribers and a few more to 200. Then we move on. Please tell your friends about it. Let them subscribe to my channel. Try convincing them. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
Is it on?
So I hope you guys remember the viewer i7 updated. I've done a video about it and I'll link it in the description as well. So noise oh my god. So wireless charging. How does wireless charging work? It's very simple. I wish I could dismantle this thing right now and just show you how it works. But then let's just not do that. Let me just show you how it works. Well, wireless charging is very simple. Now, just imagine this. There are coils beneath this piece of material. There are coils which have been arranged in concentric circles, like as of now, beneath this material. And they are connected to this charging port, the charging port of the wireless charge. I don't know why it's even called wireless charging, but then it involves a wire. Well, they brought up an idea too. They can work more on it. But the wireless charging, let's move on. So what it does is that there are coils around here. Well, wireless charging uses electromagnetism. It uses electromagnetism. So there are there are coils around in concentric circles, and then they are connected to this port. So whatever the code here. So you plug in your cable to this part, then you plug in the other end to the wall outlet. You plug it to the wall outlet. Then your phone. This phone doesn't support wireless charging. You put your phone on the wireless charger. Now what it does is that, and I think there are also phones that support wireless charging. So the phones have magnets inside, like, or beneath their covers. So there's also a magnet here. That is electromagnetism. It's due to this electricity and magnetism. So when you put this one, when you put the phone on the charging on the wireless charger, there is some kind of interaction between the plates of the phone on which the magnets are on and the wireless charger. There is this kind of interaction between them. There's an exchange of electrons, there's an exchange of electric current or something like that, which goes on round and round. So while the electricity is coming from the wire that is entering into the phone, it's entering into the wireless charger, it passes through here, it comes here, and it's going on and on and on and on. That's why wireless, that's why after you use wireless chargers to charge your phone, sometimes just touch the back of the phone and realize that it's really hot because electrons are involved and the electrons are carry a lot. So that's how wireless charging works. It's just very simple. Current passing through here, enters into the charger, it circulates, it exchanges, and it is transferring. Whilst it's transferring, it's charging your phone, it's producing heat, and then it's charging your phone on and on and on, and that's the concept of wireless charger. So there's no need to use this port for anything because it's wireless. So that's wireless charging for you guys. if you've come this far, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you haven't, tell your friends about it also, and keep on watching my videos. If you don't want to send you my link, just turn on the post notification so that when I release a video, just pop up the oh yo, you have to use the video so much. Yes, so I think that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. This was an episode of Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.